A little ceramic detail for the boys.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, buddy. What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Woo! Here at FSM bright and early. Woo! Post all-nighter, because you know that's how we roll. And it's time to do some tint school here, because the Gladiator has 25 or 22% privacy glass in the rear, and the front's fish pulling. So time to slap some 20% black magic on. George is giving her a little schmozzle right here.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Oh, dude, look at that.
Oh, look at her pop. Woo!
It's actually not bad.
Yeah. We could do the tint with the door panel on, but we want to do a very thorough job and pull off this weather seal. So I'm gonna do 2 T30 right here, and we gotta pop off this little plastic cover. There's gonna be another T30 right behind that. Magic, 20% VLT, hey, what you know about it? Just wrapped up our driver's window right here. Honestly, looking pretty good. I didn't even have to break out the heat gun. I didn't have any major fingers formed down at the bottom or at the top here, so didn't need to do any heat gunning. Kind of just squeegeed it out. I'm happy with how it looks. Let's go do the passenger side and see how dark this is. Tinting is officially done on the Gladiator here. Driver and passenger side wrapped up. Give you guys a little perimeter check here. Yeah, you know we rocking that clean tint. No air bubbles all the way around. This black magic tint here is honestly really forgiving. Nice clarity and pretty nice color to it. It's a little bit more green, but I think it looks good. Looks like we're matching our rear tint really nicely. Just like to see what it looks like outside.
Dude, this thing looks killer. Absolutely killer.
Dude,
look at that.
It's murdered.
Got any words for us? What do you have to say?
Stoked with the budget Gladi build number 2. I think Scotty Boy's gonna love it.
Absolute phenomenal job on the tint.
Oh, thank you.
Wheel selection, A1. What are you running for wheels on the thing?
These are Rock Tricks RT 105s.
Nice.
Pretty solid.
3 or 4 fingers?
Yeah, 3 or 4.
What do you prefer?
4. It's gonna wrap up this video. Tinting our new 2021 Gladiator here at FSM. Come by if you need any tint work done, any vinyl wrapping. If you want any free vivid matte white vinyl, come on by. We got a whole lot of it.
A whole lot of it.
We'll see you guys next time.